Hey everybody, Double P here and welcome back. So today's trade, we were trading Apple, sent the trade out to my guys, and you'll see what the results are as we go through this training. So let me just come over here. Let me remove some of the stuff here so that you can see my screen. That'll be a little bit better. And first of all, got to get my disclaimer out of the way. I can't give you any financial advice, any legal advice, any taxation advice, or any investment advice because I'm not certified or licensed or accredited, and I don't have my Series 7 or my Series 33 or any of my series licenses through the SEC or FINRA, so I'm not a broker-dealer. I'm not a dealer broker, I'm not a licensed stockbroker, I'm not a licensed financial planner, any of that stuff. So I'm just a simple guy that's been trading. I'm self-taught trader, been trading for years. So everything that I talk about on this channel here and all my videos is strictly for educational purposes, so you can't turn around and sue me or try to get litigious or try to come after myself or my companies or my corporations or my JV partners, my affiliates or my VAs or anything like that. You take these trades at your own risk, and like I say, this is for educational purposes only. So I advise you to take all trades inside of a paper money account or a virtual simulator so that you don't experience any real world losses or lose any real money. Right? And you stay in there until you are proven profitable or until you think you're profitable, then you do whatever you want to do. So I just have to get that disclaimer out of the way. It's on my channel, as you can see it down there below in the about section and whatnot, but I still got to crack it out in this video here. So because there's going to be somebody out there that says, hey man, I tried to do your techniques and your strategies and they didn't work and I lost a gazillion dollars. I can't even pronounce the word. You know what I mean? Or I lost a billion dollars or something like that, right? It's something stupid, right? Because there's always that crackpot out there that's going to do something like that. So that's my disclaimer. That's my disclosure. And let's go through this right here. So you see right here, it's my margin account right there. And you're probably going to come over here. You're going to say, what does it say? Partially delayed data. If I'm not looking at you as I'm talking to you, I'm looking at my screens over here. Right. So as I go through this. So as you see here, stock is in real time. MX, New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, all real time feeds I'm getting. Equity options is real time. Futures and futures options, I don't trade it. I don't need live feeds for it. Forex, real time, others in real time. So it's complete, full blown account, all real time data. And you see the time now that we're going through the video here is 1:10. This is live trading already done. So today's culprit was Apple. After a 2-day bounce of huge sell side activity, it was time to jump in here for Apple. So let's go through, let me walk you through, first of all, let me walk you through the box. So I've done this multiple times, but I'll do it again, right? You have to be a disciplined trader and you have to do what you have to do. So let's scroll back over here and let's open this up for you really quickly. Where are we here? What day is this? This is the 30th. Let me scroll back over here. So let's go over and let's draw the box. I do price levels first. Let me come over here and get these candles so they're a little bit bigger so that you can see them, a little bit fatter. All right, so we go take the last hour or so, no longer than that. I've already explained why. That's the most volatile price action, and as you can see here, so where was the top? Well, the top was right around there, so let's mark out the top. Where was the bottom? Usually well, let me see where the bottom was. Bottom was right there. Where was the close? The close was 165.51. So 165. That's close enough. 165.02. So that was the close. So, sorry, there's something on my lip. So here's the 200. Here's the 20. You can see it right there. You can mark it out however you want. Here's the rate of change. I use all three, and it's all sped up, so I know exactly what's going down. So let me draw my box, so we know exactly where we want to trade. So let's pop that out there. We hit the box. We draw the box. We scroll over here. And we draw the box again over here just to save some time. And then we scroll back over here again. And let's draw the box. So we attacked Apple with some vigor. Let me come over here and go on today in the 2-minute chart. So here we are. So there's the box. You see the box right down there. Where did Apple open? Apple opened up at 9:30. Apple opened up at 167.46. 167.46, roughly around. That's Apple opened up. Did it open up above the box? It sure did. Was it high above the box? Well, it was the previous high from yesterday almost. So we're going to wait for it to come back down. If not hit the high, come back down to the box. But you see what happened here? It bounced right off of, what was that? The high of yesterday? No, that was the low of today, sorry. All right, so here's the box. It bounced off the low, or just under the low of opening right here, double tapped it, and ripped, right? You see that ripped. So, and this is on the 2-minute candle, right? So I'm gonna wait. You know what I do? We go on a 5-minute chart. We go on a 5-minute chart to look at taking our trade, right? We wait for that setup on a 5-minute, and then we drill down on the 2-minute and 1-minute to go and take our trades. So let me come over here, just so that you see it. Let me move this over here. When did I send this trade out to my guys? You see the time here at 9:53, December the 1st. I sent out the trade. It was about to open the December 3rd, 21, 170 strike call. I block out what I paid for it. I block out how many contracts I told my guys, because you don't need to see that. I told them I'm looking for 40% profit. Stop loss is a tight 12%. And this is a momentum trade. Excuse me there. So notice the time, 9:53. So let's go over to 9:53, right around here. Here's the candle on the 5-minute. Notice where the rate of change is. Excuse me. And you see somewhere here, that's support right there, and then it ripped, right? So let's break it down on the 2-minute candle, 9:53. So here's the candle right here. There's the entry. So I told my guys to get in. Excuse me. And then here's support right around there. Tap support and ripped, right? And look what Apple did, right? So you can see, and what time is this now? This is at 12:50. Sorry, so it's like 1:17 right now, around that area. and Apple hit the high of 170. Obviously, we got out way before then because we got this movement right here on the 2-minute, right? That's what I traded on the 2-minute. Saw support, mapped it out, bounced, and it ripped. So let's come over here. Let's go over to Apple, and then let's go over to 170. Let me come down here, December 3rd. I'm already out of the position, so 170 strike. Got something in my throat there. We're clearing it out. So let's come back over here so that you can kind of see where we took at 9. Let me see here. 9. Oh, silly me. Let's go back on the 5-minute. Uh, 9:55. So right around there. All right. So right around here. That's on the 5-minute. That's on the 5-minute candle, right? So there's our entry. There's our entry. There's support right there. There's our entry. There's support, and here's our rip. All right. So from roughly right around here, from let's see, around 94 cents. We let it rip to roughly around $2. Actually, probably a little bit more. Yeah, right around there. That was a nice rip. Right, so that's it. That's what we did. All right, so there's Apple. There's a nice little rip for you. So, you like that video? I would say smash that like button, share this video with your friends. My members made some outstanding gains today because it was a momentum trade and they know exactly when to get out. They got out well above their 40% mark. So let me come over here. Excuse me. Let's come over here and let's just say it was 94, let's just say it's 94 cents. Let's just say it was plus 40%. So we're looking at 131. So 131 would be our first profit taking, which is roughly right. Let's get my trusty drawing tool out here. So 131 would be our first profit taking, which we always take more. So 131 would be right there, right here. But as you can see, we let it rip up to around 204. Perfect trade on a 5-minute candle. That was a wicked move, wicked good move. All right, so there you go. That's it in a nutshell. If you like that information, head on over to my site. You'll see the link somewhere to my site, up above, left, right, down below. Be a member. I don't know what you're waiting for. I don't know why you don't want to be a member. These are trades. I send out real-time trade alerts to my members, real-time text alerts. You get it right there, right to your cell phone. All you need to know is learn how to take the trade. You learn how to take the trade, the rest is gold. And that's my earnings disclaimer, my disclosure disclaimer. See it down at the bottom of the site. But literally, if you scroll my channel, you've seen what we've been doing over the last 2 months. I mean, it is what it is, right? So I would say join us. I mean, this is free for you. I'll always continue to make free videos for you. I took a couple of days off, just relaxed. Well, I was trading. I just didn't put any videos up. Putting videos up now because it's December the 1st, going into the holidays. So you're going to see some volatility, of course, in the marketplace. You're going to see some sell-off. You're going to see some rallying because that's what's going on when it comes to Omicron. Omicron, as you know, is a transformer. He's actually a Decepticon. If you go look in the comic books, you'll see Omicron there. So we just find it kind of funny. It's not funny, but we just kind of ironic that they would name it Omicron. So December's going to be rocking and rolling. I'd love for you to be a member before December is over, because if you want to get that Christmas bag, what can I tell you? Right? So head on over to the site. That being said, I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everybody. Double P over and out.